In this video, I'm going to show you how you can undo changes on Filmora. So if you have just made any adjustment on your Filmora video editor and you'd like to go ahead and revert back to the previous standard or the previous state before the action, then it is pretty much simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So for instance, I have here this video clip and I accidentally cut this section and then deleted it completely like that. And then I realized that I need that part that I just cut later. Now to do so, it is pretty simple. You have to use this undo option here for you to revert back to the previous status. So if I go ahead and click on it, you can see it has restored the previous part that was cut, but you can see it is still split. I like to have it joined and uniform as it was. I still again click on undo. I have now one single video track on my timeline. Should you need maybe to go back to the cut part, you can still go ahead and redo with one step to get back to this stage. So that's how you can do it. Alternatively, if you want to undo, for instance, it was still so, you can use a combination of keyboard shortcuts to achieve this. For that, go ahead and press down Control key on your keyboard, and while you're still pressing down your Control key, go ahead and press on Z, and you can see that has undone the previous cutting. And if I want still to join this, I'll still go ahead and press down Control and Z to have a uniform video track. So that's how you can undo any changes that you had made on Filmora video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.